Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change map in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Mobile Legends allows you to choose different map theme or skins for classic, ranked and custom matches. Here's how you can switch maps easily. Launch open the Mobile Legends Bang Bang app and wait for the main lobby to load. Once you're inside the lobby screen for Mobile Legends Bang Bang, go ahead and choose a mode before choosing the map. Tap on the classic option at the bottom right corner and then tap on the loop arrow kind of an icon at the top left and you will be able to see different modes you can choose from. Select any other mode available to you from the menu. Some of the modes out there will only be unlocked after reaching a certain level. If you haven't reached the level yet, you will not be able to switch between your maps. But if you have successfully unlocked them, you can simply tap on it to choose your map. After selecting the map, you can then tap on the Start Game button at the bottom of the screen and the chosen map will now be applied when you enter the match. So that is how you will be able to change your map in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.